We have here is when the angle of elevation of the sun is 15 degrees, okay? The upright flag casts a shadow of length 18 meters. Calculate the height of the pole, correct to 1 decimal place. Now what I'm trying to ask you guys is what side is the 18 and what side is the flag? So if we put X as the length of the flag, which is here, and we're back. Okay guys, so what we have here is that this is X, is the height of the flagpole, X is the opposite, 18 is the adjacent, and we have SOHCAHTOA, so we have to choose which one to use. Anybody have any ideas which one we're going to use? Tan, okay. So tan what guys? What goes beside the tan? 15. It's always the angle. Always the angle. And that equals X over 18. What do we do next? Next step? 18 and 18. Get rid of the two of them. And then what we left with? Put that into the calculator. You get 4.8. How many people got that last night? Okay, most of you. Well done. How you, Sam?
I think 4.8.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, next one after that is going to be number 6. And for number 6, how many right angle triangles are in number 6? Just 2 right angle triangles in number 6, okay? The one that has the most information is the small one here. So this one here has 200 meters tall, and to a point from this buoy here, it's 28 degrees.
So the 6 on the question? Yes.
Sorry?
6 on the question? Yes.
Just give me a second. High elevation top ferry cliff is 200 meters above sea level, is 14 degrees. The boat has to sail in the boat, and when it's close to the cliff, it's 28. How far did the boat sail towards the cliff? So you want to find out what this length is here. Okay? So what we have is 2 different lengths, okay? We have the green length and we have the green triangle and the blue triangle. Green triangle has 14 degrees and a height of 200. If I find out what the length of X is, and then I find out what the length of Y is, now just remember, X is this distance from here to here. Y is this distance from here all the way to here. Therefore, the difference between the 2 lengths will tell me how far has that boat travelled, which is now shaded in green. So I need to find X, need to find Y, take them away from each other, and then I find how far the boat has actually sailed. Okay? So, what about this one? We know the opposite and we're looking for the adjacent. Okay, so it's going to be tan 28 equals 200 over X. Now, you actually do the same trick you did last time. You give this one an X on the bottom and an X on the top. Cancel out the X's. Now you have X tan 28 equals 200. What can you do with the tan 28?
Bring it over the other side.
Bring it under. And X equals 200 divided by tan 28.
Okay.
And what do you get? 200 divided by tan 28?
17.
Anybody know? We're expecting a number bigger than 200, I'd say.
376.1452991.
145, fair enough. Okay. Now, the next one. Shh. 1 second, Sean. Yeah.
I thought that you had to do tan inverse.
No, you're not looking for the angle. You already have the angle.
How come you bring the whole tan 28 under the 2?
Because in this case, the X was on the bottom, not the top.
Oh.
So it's X multiplied by tan 28 is 200.
Yeah.
So it's like me saying 3x equals. It's like me saying 3x equals 6. 3 is being multiplied by x, so 3 goes underneath the 6.
Yeah.
So in this case, the tan 28 is just a number and has to be divided.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we have next is, we've done the first one, now we've got to do the second one. And in the second one we're using y. So we're going to have y multiplied by, y is that one there, so sorry, tan 14 equals 200 over y. Is everybody happy with that?
Yeah.
200 over y, opposite over, adjacent. What do I do next?
Bring the
Put them both, give them both a y, top and bottom. Yeah? Same denominator disappears. Now you're left with y tan 14 equals 200. What happens to this? Bring the tan 14 underneath. And what are we left with then?
Y equals 200 over tan 14.
And what's 200 over tan 14? Y is the big one, so we're expecting a bigger number than 376. 800 what? 802.156. Take the two of these away from each other. 802.
426.
426. Do you get that, Sam? No, that's a difficult one. Alright, so questions 2 and 6.
What did y do?